Morning guys, welcome to my channel. And this is a sunny day, 25 in the morning, 25 degrees Celsius. I'm going to wade through those mountains and head for the mountains. It's a sunny day with very good weather. Such a good day for tourism. Make some warm up. Enjoy this sunshine day. Breeze over your body. It feels fantastic. Here, something here. Oh, this is quite a good place. Wow, this is a lake. Oh, I like it so much. You know, it's always quite beautiful to have this view. It's a water reservoir. Go against the mountains. See? Okay, some people fishing there. And face this lake with breath open on your face, you know, and back there's some village on the shore of the of this lake, and back then some mountains. It's mountains. It's small. It's not so high mountains, low mountain, but you know, like a winding mountains there. You can see the lines there. Wow, I like this place. Quite nice. Oh my god, you can see my bike's there. Oh, this is my bike. It's also my friends. You know, I think it's the best innovation of human maybe included this machine bikes. That's quite good. Yeah, without the you can just ride at a very good pace, good speed to somewhere, wherever you can, you know, to the mountains, to the forests, to some very beautiful places, you know, without using some motors, you know. It's very green, also can keep your feet, in fact you a more, you know, a good body and good mood. Also have a view of this mountain, of this the life. Hey, come on! Whoa, this good place. So let's go on. Let's go on. See if we can find more in these mountains. Go. Wow, that's different shades. You know, dark green, shallow green. You know, they got together. Different colors, different green of these mountains. You know, we're into the mountains, right? And that's decent. Electricity transmission, that tower. Let's go solo bike in the next mountains. Yeah, I hear some sound from the birds. They are hiding into this bush. Wow, I love this place. Beautiful trees, big mountains, breeze, river. You know, that's a beautiful part of nature. Especially in summer, spring time. Let's go all the way up to the mountains. I hope this video is bringing happiness and joy, because I would like to share with you guys this beautiful sceneries alongside my bike riding, and you can sit at your home and watch my video here. Not my pleasure. Let's go up. Oh my god, mountains. That's a little difficult for me. I'm not as the light person, light body. I'm with a heavier body. So climbing is a little difficult for me, but that's fun, right? How we can imagine the bikes, this sports without climbing. Wow, there's another reserve there. There's deep water, no fishing or no swimming. Quite dangerous. Wow. Let's look at this. Oh my god. This is a fantastic place. Oh my god. Wow. Well, let's get into deeper mountains. Let's go. First, climb this steep slopes, maybe like 8% average, 10% average. A little steep, but it's okay. We'll be heading into some place, deep mountains, where few people could show up. There are, nature. Oh my God! The mountains are planted with the tea leaves. You see? Wow. And up, and keep on going. Let's rock and roll. You see, high in the sky, eagles. Okay, here's some voice on the birds. I'm gonna climb that mountain. This marks the meditation at the cars, some attention slogan there. Wow, I can't believe there are some houses here. One house. Oh my God. Somebody live here? Oh my God. And I started getting into this deeper mountains. Now pay attention. Whoa. I see some lake there. You can see that lake is green with green. The water is green. Wow, that's a little scary, That's a car there. Wow, unbelievable. Oh, there are some sands on the roads. Okay, pay attention. A little slattering. Wow. Wow. This is a wonderful place. Look at those trees. These stones. Oh my God. Let's go on. I can see some motors behind me. More cars there. He's a lot faster than me. I wish my legs are as strong as the motor engine. As you can see, wow, it's quite beautiful place. Oh. Sun shines past this forest. A good view. So, oh. Wow. I have to say, although it's a bit of tiring, but I'm enjoying this process of going up, you know, only by myself. Today I'm alone. You just go up under the shadow of these trees. Come on, with the breeze. Yeah, they're quite enjoyable thing for me. Although I'm slow, but I'm like a snail. You know, slowly but surely going up. Pick one up at base. Let's go up. Look at the trees. Oh, nature place. Wow, it's a big climb. Oh my god, it's a little big for me. Need to come up. A deep forest. I see a quite peaceful place, full of green and tall trees. Very steep climb as well. Slowly but surely, up, up, up. Oh my god. We're now reaching to the hill. Wow. 500 meters climb. Oh my god. My front wheel is gonna go up because of the 60% of the slope. Finally, oh my god, finally I'm here. Ooh. Hey, see that? Reach the hill, top of the mountain. 500 meters high. There's a car here. That's unbelievable. Ah, that was tower. You know, in this on this hill that could cover the several 100 kilometers of this range. You know, like if there's a fire going, I think that could work. Oh, it's not so hot, and especially on here of this mountain, it's the no. Let's go explore. Let's go explore that tower. You know, I think that motorbikes just run ahead of me. I think it's maybe the workers in this tower. Oh my god, that's say protected forest and prevent the fire. Everybody is responsible. Say here's the top of the mountain, and this is a tower there. Let's just go across. Wow, it's cool. Oh my god, there are some. Let's go explore this top mountain. There's some stones here. Oh my god, maybe some construction place. Wow, I got a better view of this mountains. Oh my god, let's go up. Get up this oh my god. Oh my god. All the beautiful sceneries on my head there, and I can say mountains are all over my eye there. Wow, that's a wonderful place, right? I'm going to take some pictures of this thing. Wow. This is beautiful. I got a brother with me. 哎，大哥，您刚刚是在底下那个？
啊，对，我刚才不是是我开车上来。
您不是开那个车吗？
黑的，我开的不是那个普拉多。我是开的比较下面的。
See, this is the tower, and you know this maybe the highest place of this mountains, and they have built such a tower. You know, there are cameras and some sensors. You know, may protect the forest from being fired. You know, wow. It's the mountain hill, and here's some a little path into these mountains. My God. Let's go explore this place. You know, although today's surface is about 30 degrees, but in those mountains it's still very cool, like 25 degrees. It's a perfect temperature for hiking, climbing. There's different for hikers, for a different little trip. You know. Wow. I can't believe that I can see this beautiful view, because if we don't ride a bicycle, that would be, you know, difficult to reach those destinations. Wow. So follow my camera and have such a perfect view of these mountains. Wow. As visibility is not so good, with some thick mist. Obviously, let's go on and search this little path. I'm not. Oh. Wow, that's such a good place for a day hike. No, not a good place for a night hike. Oh my god, I think nobody would like to venture into those deep mountains in night. Oh, it's quite deep, maybe wild. Maybe there are some wild animals there. You know, I go hiking. Wow, there's a lane. There's a lane out there. Let's continue our journey. Wow, oh my god, I still rode my bike show. It's not so good for those mountains. I'm just gonna try that. Wow, I got a beautiful view of this mountains and mountains. There's buildings. Oh, there's, wow, I'm the king of the world. Oh yeah, I mean, we feel like I'm the king of the world because I'm just standing on this building and oh shit, let's go on, have a perfect view of the mountains. Wow, mountains. There are some fields, lakes there. Wow, the wind and the sun. Stunning view. That's the watchtower. This is no road back. So can we find another way? Oh no, there's no other way. Let's go back. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good place there. So, on your bike trip, you can always find some surprise here. In your trip, alongside the roads, maybe you can climb some mountains, find some lakes, and watch some beautiful sceneries that nobody have ever seen before. I think that's the most meaningful part of our journey. You know, this is a perfect place to go day hike. Next time I'm gonna ride my mountain shows, and with my gears, with all my equipment, I'm gonna have a trip on into the steep mountains. That could be fun. Yeah. Well, let's go back to my bicycle for journey, you know, into those mountains, especially to explore this hill of the mountain. And now I'm gonna go downhill. Wow, that could be crazy, you know. It's 400 meters downhill. That'd be highly crazy. I met a big brother today. Yeah, he's with his Volkswagen that SUV. Yeah, I'm with my bicycle. Wow, this is insane. Look at this view. I can still see some other mountains there, down here. Wow, let's go here. Whoa, 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 whoa. You know, my life is count on this my disc brake. If it doesn't work, then my life will be in danger. Oh my god, it's quite, you know. Let's go. Rock and roll. Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo. Careful with this stuff. Oh my god, that's a laser crazy uphill. From that top Oh my god, I just got there. Oh shit. This is damn crazy. And thanks my disc brake. That protects me and my life here. Oh, thank you. Oh my god, my discs are turning black. You see the little black there? Oh, it's so black. It's a strong, very strong frictions between this disc and you know, the parts. It's quite nasty. Oh my god, that's the downhill from the hill of the mountain, 500 meters high. That's a bit crazy. Wow. Let's see, here's some the voice sound from the little spring there. Wow. Let's go see some spring there.